Yeah. I'm just not going to delete anything right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Like. You okay? Sorry. Here it is. Yeah, it's pretty high. Oh, the milk containers, yuck. Milk containers. Yeah, you think so? Yeah, that's how it looked when I walked by earlier.
Yeah, wait 1 minute.
Okay. It smells like cheese over here. Namaste. No? Okay. I got a little recording.
I have a lot for sale.
Yeah?
If any of these sell deodorant, we should probably pick one up.
Yeah, we do need deodorant.
I haven't seen any so far, so we might be stinky kids towards the end.
Oh. Okay.
Like that looks like someone's home.
Yeah? Yeah? Free range chicken? Huh? What did you say? Yeah, I thought that was funny. First time, play on words. Free range chicken. Yeah, we go. You had to hiccup, son? Okay. And I'm saving it for last. I won't tell you where it is.
It's another nice courtyard.
Yeah.
Like this grass looks like manicure.
Right?
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, the feminine products, tissue, everything. Oh, that's a scary.
Deodorant.
Except deodorant. You don't need it when you're out here in nature.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that looks like cottages, yeah.
I bet we go up to there tomorrow.
You think so? Hotel Panda.
Red?
No, what am I? Oh yeah, no, I didn't see. Okay, that's good.
I mean, all the good information is gone, but
Look at that view.
yeah.
Silly. I can't see anything.
The sun.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, this one. Come, come, come. So she wrote.